This 2026 East to West Tandara 390FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West and features a social cherry interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.